Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can record your gaming or streaming sessions using the OBS Studio with the highest quality possible. So if you're curious guys, make sure you keep watching, drop a like, and now let's get started. So what you want to do is start or launch the OBS Studio. Make sure that your OBS Studio application is up to date, of course. And what you want to do here on your home screen is click on File in the top left corner to access your studio settings. And in the first step, guys, head over to Video here to the left and make sure that you set a base canvas resolution of 1920 by 1080 px and apply the same for the output scale resolution below. Both of that will keep an aspect ratio of 16:9. After that, make sure that you select the highest FPS rate possible, which is 60. Of course, only if your computer and your hardware can handle that. And that's basically it for the video settings. After that, head over to the output section here on the left panel and make sure that you select a video bitrate of 16,000 KB per second. Leave the audio bitrate at 160, select the software X264 video encoder below, and the encoder preset should be on very fast, faster or fast. It's totally up to you. If possible, select fast from that drop down menu here. Bear in mind though that this is going to use a lot of CPU, but at the same time it will bring you also very high quality. And after that, select your custom recording path below and set the recording quality of high quality / medium file size to keep a recording format of MP4 below. And in the last step, again, select the video encoder of software X264 for recording sessions. And all of that, guys, save by clicking on apply here. And by using that setup, you will allow yourself to record and to stream with the highest quality possible. And that's basically it. That's how we do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.